Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Trendsend unboxing video for you guys. So this will be my very first Trendsend box. They are an online subscription service, much like Stitch Fix, where you go online, you fill out a style profile, you are given a stylist, and they create a look just for you. I think you get between 2 and 3 outfits from what I've seen on everyone else's videos. They actually don't, with the Trendsend, you don't pay a styling fee like you do with Stitch Fix. However, you don't get a discount if you buy everything. So, if that makes sense. Trendsend does have free shipping both ways, and you just pay for what you keep. So, basically, on Sunday, I signed up, just to let you know how quickly these guys are. On Sunday, I signed up. On Monday, I got an email saying they were putting my box together, and this box was on my doorstep by Thursday. So they are on their A game. So anyway, without further ado, let's get into the box and see exactly what they have picked for me. I'm so excited. You do have the return envelope for anything that you don't want to keep. The first bundle of goodies. Wow. Okay, I like these colors. Let's see. Love like a mom. So this service is supposed to be geared toward moms. Okay, let's see. This is, oh my goodness, this is Free People. Wow. It's like a little Free People tunic. How cute. Like that. This is by Allison Joy, it looks like. Ooh, that's a little cold shoulder. Wow. So Trendsend is by Evereve. I did not know a whole lot about them until I started watching other people's YouTube videos about the Trendsend. So since then I have gone online to look at their store online because there's not one nearby me. And I love their stuff. Like, I could just absolutely spend a fortune in that place. This is like a jumpsuit, like a jumper. Wow, or a pantsuit. That is wild. I don't know that I would think that those 3 items would be together as an outfit, but I'm sure there's a style card in here that tells me what they expect me to wear with each thing. So anyway, that is the first bundle. Our next bundle is, looks like there's going to be 3 bundles in here. The next bundle, I have a pair of olive like cargo, skinny cargos. I honestly got a pair of pants almost exactly like this in my last Stitch Fix box. I really liked them. They were $88. I did not keep them, however, so we'll check these out and see if maybe these will be an option. Okay, and then next we have a, ooh, that's an interesting little sleeveless top. Isn't that cute? I like that. Okay, and the last bundle looks like a Michael Stars, like a little Michael Stars sleeveless top with like the cowl neck, I guess is what you call that. That's cute. This is it's like a little jacket, like a little Moto jacket. It's like a cottony, really stretchy gray. I like that too. Wow. And then they sent me a pair of Hudson jeans. Neat. Okay. Hudson skinny jeans. Like the wash on those. Super cute. Let's see what they have said. Mama, you're doing fine. So let's see exactly how they send you a style note. and they like tell you which items go together to make an outfit. So like outfit 1, they say put the Moto jacket, the jersey draped halter, and the Hudson skinny jeans together for outfit 1. For outfit 2, you need to do the asymmetrical tank and the sateen cargo pants, the little olive green cargo pants. They say for outfit 3, it needs to be the utility jumpsuit. They're calling it a utility jumpsuit. The Free People birds of a feather top and the Luna cold shoulder. I don't know how you're going to get that into an outfit. We will see. So anyway, I will come back in just a few minutes with a try on. So please stay tuned. Okay, so this is the stylist's recommendation for outfit 1. These are the Hudson skinny jeans. These bad boys are $195. $195. But they are amazing. Like, I am tempted to spend $195 on these jeans. They are so awesome. This is the Michael Kors drape neck tank. Or not Michael Kors, excuse me, Michael Stars. I mess that up every time. I don't know why I want to say that. Okay, and it is $72. I love it too. The jacket is the I'm sorry, this is the Monica Moto jacket in gray. It is $148. I sort of think it's a little small for me. I think I could go up a size. It doesn't, it's really stretchy, but it should be a little roomier than this. This is what it looks like, the little outfit with it off. I've just put it on with a pair of peep toe booties. Super cute. I really like this top. I really like the jeans too. I mean, I can't say enough about it. So let's see what the next outfit looks like. Okay, so I just left the jeans on, the Hudson jeans, and I put on the Luna cold shoulder. This is by the brand Allison Joy. This is $68, this blouse. It has like the little elastic waistband, like the little ruffle, cold shoulders. I love it. I love it. I want to keep it. This is me. It's comfy. It's a little blousy on the days that you don't want to be wearing something that's like skin tight. Cute. Cute. I love it. Everything that I've seen thus far. $68. Let's try on the next one. Okay, this is the top by Free People. It's the Birds of a Feather top in red. This is a size medium. It's $98. As with all things Free People, or most things Free People, it is very blousy. It is very comfy. I like it. It's a little low cut. I don't know about that. Cute little top with some jeans or some leggings. I like it too. We probably have to do a little cami or something under it, but I do like it. Let me know what you think. I am back. This is the This is the Asymmetrical tank by the brand Sunday in Brooklyn. It is $58. It's cute, it's flowy. I like the little single strap, asymmetrical, the whole thing. They suggested that I pair it with the Brooklyn Sateen cargo pants by Level 99. They're the olive green cargo pants. They are $125. They don't fit me at around my ankles the way that I would like. They're a little wonky at the bottom. I am so tall. It's very hard to get a pair of pants that are long enough for me. I don't think that you can probably see it, but they are just a little wonky at the bottom. They're not bad. I don't love them. The top is cute. Not really sure about the stripe. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, this one is the Utility Jumpsuit by Payten Jensen. It is $88. It's got the little front pockets. It's a little too tight through the bust for me. And the pockets, you can't really tell because of the black, but the pockets, it has back pockets, but they sit kind of wonky on your booty. I'm not really sure what's up with that. It is cropped. It has the little cuffed bottom, the little cuffed hem. I don't love it. It's not something that's really flattering on my body. I think if I were a more petite girl that I could pull it off a little bit better. But anyway, I will be back in just a moment with my final thoughts on this Trendsend box. Okay, so I'm back from trying everything on. One of the things that I wanted to share with you that kind of struck me as really neat is the fact that on every item they have a little tag, and everything is so positive. This one says, outdream yourself. You are enough. Choose kind over cool. So everything is so inspirational and sweet. I really like everything. I'm impressed with the box. I will definitely try Trendsend again. The Luna Cold Shoulder, I'm probably going to keep that. That's something that I can wear to work. And it is definitely my style. The Free People Birds of a Feather Top, I really like it. I don't know. It's $98. The Hudson skinny jeans, oh my gosh, y'all. I like them. I like them a lot. I don't own a pair of Hudsons. I typically tend to buy American Eagle skinny jeans just simply because they have the extra long length. The length on the Hudsons it was pretty good. It looked to be about a 34-inch inseam, so it hit perfectly. So if it doesn't draw up when you wash it, they should be awesome. The cargo pants are a no for me because they were wonky at the bottom. The Moto jacket, I really liked the Moto jacket. It wasn't exactly the right fit for me size-wise, even though it was stretchy. I think I would need to size up 1 or 2 sizes on that. I would love to have a Moto jacket. Not really sure if that one's it though. The jersey, the draped halter that I had on with the Hudson jeans and the Moto jacket, love that one. $72 is a little expensive for a jersey top, though, in my opinion. The utility jumpsuit is a definite no. I just don't like the way those particular items fit my body. The blousey at the top, the blousey in the hips just doesn't work for me. The asymmetrical tank, excuse me, I thought that was really cute. It was $58. Like I said, I don't know about it. I'm going to have to think on that. So I don't know. I really am impressed with it. I will definitely do it again. Let me know. Leave me a comment on what you liked. I love getting comments and hearing from you guys. It makes my day. Thank you so much for watching. If you would find it in your heart to like and subscribe, I would love for you to do that. I would be so honored. So until next time, bye.